In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through how you can play Clash of Clans on your computer. If you do find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for even more gaming tutorials just like this. First things first, go ahead and close out of any tabs that you might have open and go ahead and open up your preferred web browser. In this case, I'm going to use Google Chrome, but you can use whatever you'd like. In the search bar, go ahead and type in the following. Type in Google Play Store PC and then hit enter, and you want to click on this first link up at the very top. Once you get on this one, simply go ahead and download the beta. And once it downloads for you, go ahead and click on this installation and install the app to your PC. After going through with the installation, it's going to open up the app for you, and you're going to need to go ahead and create a profile. I recommend doing this with the exact same account that you have your Clash of Clans or Clash Royale account set up to. So in my case, I just used my email. With that being said, once you get signed in, click on this little explore button right here and find Clash of Clans by either searching it, or it should usually just pop up here for you. Simply go ahead and click on it and then hit install, and you'll be good to go. Once it does install, you can either directly hit play from here or go to your library and you'll see it in here as well. But it really is as simple as that. Clash Royale or Clash of Clans will go ahead and launch for you, and you'll be able to start playing directly from your PC. Let us know down in the comments if you do have any questions. We'll be happy to help you out even further, but have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.